Put the egg on there.
Like a genie bottle.
Yeah. All right, now that candle is using up the oxygen in there, and a fire needs oxygen. So once it uses up all the oxygen, it's going to go out. Oh, it's using up all the oxygen. Now it's going to go out. What's it going to do? Oh, it sucked the egg in. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, ready? Hold it at the base. Hold it at the base. Hold it at the base. It doesn't fly off. Look what it's doing. It's blowing up the balloon.
I guessed it.
Whoa, look at that.
Mom, it's getting too big. It's gonna pop.
It's not gonna pop. What do you think, buddy? Is that pretty cool? Is it still getting bigger, or is it all done, you think?